Hello, and thanks for watching the video here today with us. I'm going to show you how you can easily install and run a program that's called Visual Studio's Code. It's a free tool that allows you to easily script multiple languages, and today I'm going to show you how you can easily download it quickly and set it up specifically to use for PowerShell. So to get started, we're going to go ahead and download it, open up a web browser, browse out to one of my favorite sites to get stuff. It's called ninite.com, Ninite.com. As seen up in the top, this website, if you've never been to it, gives you the ability to automatically install all of this software, your choice, automatically unchecks all the default stuff. So under developer tools, you'll see Visual Studio Code. Check the box, get your Ninite. It will download a little installer package. Once it finishes, it's very small and lightweight. Go ahead and run it. It's going to show that it's preparing to install. I've got multiple monitors, so I got to move it up here. It downloads the package in question. If you have multiple checks that you want to, can put Firefox, Google, whatever you check, it will automatically install anything you checked. It will tell you when it's done, and then you're ready to go. So again, streamlines the installation process, unchecks all the unnecessary junk that some of these installers include, and you can see it finished. That simple. And just like that, we can now go ahead and start using it. So let's go and open it up. When you first open up, it's going to do a few things. First off, it's going to open up a website with some documentation. I recommend going through this maybe if you have any questions, but for the meantime, let's just go through this together. First thing you're going to do, create a new file. In your file, just put some type of character and go up to File and hit Save As. From here, for the Save As type, this is where you can select the type of language that you want to save it as. So going down to PowerShell, and for your file name, call it whatever you want. In this case, we'll do test, and PowerShell script languages should be .ps1. You hit save, and you're going to see this little pop-up down here, PowerShell extension. Make sure you click the install button. And up in the left here, it's going to show you that it is installing. What this is going to do is it's going to empower your coding abilities. So as you're typing, it's going to dynamically see and recommend the proper syntax and PowerShell commands that you are coding. And it looks like it has finished. So we'll go ahead and reload PowerShell or the Visual Studio Code here. And up in the top, you can see we can do some PowerShell coding here. And down at the bottom, we have a terminal window. We can also divide it into output here. So let's do a quick little test here, make sure it works. So let's do write host. You can see it's already changing, and you can see how it's giving you examples of how this should be format. So let's do it works. And let's copy this and run it. And there it goes, just like that. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. If you have any other questions, please list them in the comments below. Thank you.